Good morning, everybody. So, time check, it's already 7:20 plus. So, nag-alarm ako ng 6:15 because I want to wake up early. And then, suddenly, nag-adjust siya. So, diba? Tamang adjust lang. So, now, let's cook breakfast before we will go somewhere. In a rush. Shit. Hey guys, so I'm already here in the car. I was in a rush earlier, so yun. I was trying to share to you kung what happened early in the morning, yan ganon, and then I was in a rush nga because my customer wants her order to be delivered around 9 AM and then suddenly he texted me that it's okay to be delivered around 11. So here I am now at SNR, ready to go inside. So taas na ng pila guys, kanina nandito pa lang sila banda tapos pinalipat sila ng guard doon sa likod. So I think around 50 plus na ata nandito na ano. Hindi pa siya nag-open pero madami na nagpila. I don't know why. I was also rushed because it's Sunday. I know pagkatapos ng iba na nagsimba, dito sila pupunta mag-grocery, mag-errands, yung mga ano kasi diba, curfew na dito sa Davao so hindi makapag-grocery yung mga may trabaho pag weekdays. So it might be a busy day today kasi yun yung time na maka-grocery yung mga person na yun yung time na maka-grocery sila kasi nga may curfew na dito sa Davao, hindi sila maka-grocery after their work. So let's go kasi I think mataas na yung pila, pinalipat yung mga customer nagpila dito and doon na sila yung pila. So kanina dito sila dyan and doon pinapunta sila doon ng guard sa likod banda. So gano'n na kataas yung pila ngayon. So kailangan ko nang bumaba kasi mag-open naman din mga in 5 minutes I think. So, let's go! See? Ang taas ng pila. I'm the last person in line. So hot. Hindi masyado mainit. Ang init no? So I'm using this right now. Ito na shield kasi adjust na ako. So nakapasok na tayo guys. Mabilis lang. Since bagong open pa lang sila. So I'm gonna go now and buy the stuff that I need to use. So this is it guys. We need to stop. Oh yan. SNR. So our next stop is SM Lanang. So we're gonna buy some... Ay, wait! Meron palang mas malapit dito na pwede bilhan ng ice. So since ice lang bibilin ko sa SM Lanang. Dito na lang tayo malapit sa may Ecoland. So dito na ako sa Matina. Okay, doon na tayo pupunta. So kung hindi nyo alam, meron na akong milk tea shop. So diba, ang dami kong ganap. I also have milk tea shop. And then, yeah, I have milk tea shop. And I also bake pastries like that. So let's go. I'm gonna drive na. Bye. So guys, today is Sunday and hindi ako sure kung open ba yung ice na pagbibilan ko. So kasi ngayon Davao, mostly ng mga store nag-close pag Sunday kasi wala masyadong movement. Since last time we are locked down pag Sunday. Sunday ba yun? Yeah, I think so. Wala naman masyadong sasakyan. It's so clear. So, dito na tayo. Malapit na tayo. Sana open sila. Kasi pag pupunta pa ako ng SM, feel ko madami ng tao dun ngayon. So, dito malapit na tayo. So, let's check. Grabe ka, putik na sasakyan ko ah. So, yun yung ice. Whatever. Dito tayo. So, this is my outfit guys. Red pants shirt. So, open sila. Lucky me. Magkano din? Something for the store. So, diba? Nakakapagod. Oh, this is nice. The breakfast joint. Oh. So, yan. Mas bet ko dyan na spot. So, meron akong sako dyan nilagay na sako. Kasi meron akong mga rice dyan nakabalot. So, yan. Nilagyan ko ng foam. And then nilagay kong phone ko, diba? What creative stand for my phone. Wala akong holder kasi kailangan ko bumili ng holder kasi I'm trying to vlog in the car. Pero I know it's not safe vlogging while driving. Pero nandito naman yung mata ko guys and my mouth is just there and your So yun na, talking about business, madaming mga business na nag-open, madami ding businesses na nag-close. So, yung businesses na mga nag-open this pandemic, I think it's a blessing in disguise for them kasi nawalan sila ng trabaho and then yun, nag-put up sila ng business kasi wala na silang trabaho, just like me. So, my last day at work is March ba lang? Lockdown. February man ako. Kailan yung nag-lockdown guys? Yeah, March nag-lockdown. So yun, March nag-lockdown. So in that time, nag-leave ako for 5 days. And dapat, pupunta kami ng Boracay. So nag-lockdown. Pupunta sana kami ng Boracay. So yun, sayang yung trip namin. Kasi dapat aalis na kami that day. And then yun yung day na nag-lockdown talaga guys. So kung tumuloy din kami doon na trip, baka hindi kami nakabalik, na-stranded kami doon sa Cebu. So yun na nga, talking about the business, madaming business na nag-open this pandemic, pero hindi mga nag-close. So it's a blessing in disguise. Sa iba, it's really a down for them. So yun, ito sa akin, pang-apat na to na business, pang-5. So madami na ako ano din kami sa mall. Nagkuha din kami ng stall sa mall and then we do some ano din, yung parang kiosk, ganun. Kasi nilipat namin yung tacos namin sa mall. But sadly, also mahina doon sa mall and malaki masyadong singil nila. So, nag-stop ako. So, yun. Pag-stop ko doon, nagtrabaho na ako into the city government. And, grabe ka-alog, no? Sorry guys, no? Alog kayo. So, yun. Nagtrabaho ko sa city government. And then, pagkatapos ng city government, may open na hotel. So, yun. Nagtrabaho ko sa hotel. So, I'm working in a hotel here in Davao. And now, it's closed. Closed. So sad. And now I'm here talking to you guys, doing vlogging, trying to do vlog and also trying to share something to you. So pero feel ko pangit na to kasi ang alog-alog. So ganon. Yun na yun guys, yun na yun nangyari. So kung meron kayo, kung gusto nyo mag-business, go lang. Pero madami talaga kayong pagdadaanan na mga pagsubok. Kasi on that pagsubok, on that experience, you will grow and you will learn how to manage everything. So, diba? Dami kong sat-sat. Too much information, girl. So, I think I'm gonna end this muna because I need to focus on my driving. So, bye-bye you. OMG! Buti na lang I'm talking to you guys kasi kung hindi ako nagsasalita sa inyo, ang speed ko is nasa mga 80. And then, meron ba lang mga nakaharang doon, mga harang na ano, uy, nandito naman si kuya, nagbebenta ng coffee. May nagbebenta ng coffee na gamit lang niya yung car niya. By the way, just cut it. So yun guys, merong mga harang doon. Buti na lang talaga nagsasalita ako dito kasi kung hindi ako nagsasalita, malamang ang speed ko nasa 80 or 100 na. And bang, 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 dakpan ka girl, madakpan ka girl. So I'm gonna drive again. So yun na yun guys. In business, madami talaga yung mapapagdaanan ng mga pagsubok and then in that experience, you will grow, you will learn how to manage your time, how to manage your expenses and everything and all. So push lang ng push kung gusto nyo mag-business kasi mag-mature lang din kayo in that industry. So, yeah guys, so dumating na ako sa store and it's super hot sa labas. So, magpapalamig muna ako dito sandali and I will update you later for more ganap in my life. So, stay tuned. So guys, seems slow masyado today. Nilagay tayo ng sticker sa ating cups kasi wala na tayong sticker. So, ito yung yan, ang ating Yuki. So, I will end this video now. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.
What a wonderful world.